Hello, what brings you in today?
Ага.
Bring me Pontiac vibe, please now.
Good afternoon. This is Michael Zip. We do this another episode of 504, and this one, since it's Freaky Friday, is about the time that this Russian guy came in on a budget car. All right, I don't know how much experience you've had yet at the dealership, all you new sales guys, on budget cars, but budget cars to me are what they call switch cars, right? $995 for a car that most likely has enough problems with it that it would cost you about 10 grand to fix it, right? So it's kind of a bait and switch car. Get them to come in to look at it, and when they realize that's all I'm going to get for $995, then you either sell them something else or they leave pretty angry. But anyway, so this one, I did not sell the car. Let me just start out by saying that, which I'm not very proud of, but I don't think I ever had a chance. But it was freezing cold. This Russian guy and his, Ukrainian girlfriend or whatever walk up acting like, he's some kind of Russian oligarch. And he says to me, I'll never forget this, as he's taking a smoke on a cigarette. This is how I'm going to have to explain. Go bring me Pontiac vibe. And I'm like, that 06 Pontiac vibe? And he blows the smoke right in my face. Yes, you bring me Pontiac vibe now, please. Like he's the prince of, Dubai or something. So I'm kind of laughing inside, whatever. And, there's one thing about budget cars that in the middle of winter, you better bring the jump pack, because if the car can start and I can bring it to him, that'd be great. Well, guess what? The car wouldn't start. It was buried in snow. I couldn't dig it out. It was all frozen. So I had to come back to him and take him to see it. He took one look at it and he says, no, we good. We don't need 06 Pontiac vibe. You have a good day now. And he's done smoking. He leaves with his, Ukrainian oligarch wife, and I never saw him again. So guess what? Sometimes the switch car works. Sometimes it doesn't. So all you budget car people that love or hate them, it's a love-hate relationship. You can take that to the bank. Michael Zipney Duda, and I'm out.
Ничего хорошего, ничего хорошего.
No, we good. We don't need no she's Pontiac Vide. You have good day.